Welcome back to another episode of 0 to 60. Now, I was going to tack this onto the last video, but I figured it's something that more people will be interested in than reprogramming the DMEs, and something that's more important than reprogramming the DMEs when you've had a wet DME box. So, I know too many people that have had water-damaged DMEs, replaced it, and then a couple of weeks later had another water-damaged DME. So I just want to highlight a few things and help everybody understand on what to look for and how to fix it, and then maybe go one step further as well, just to avoid it never happens again. So as you can see here, we have the DME box. This is the one that was full of water, and they have this one-way valve that sits in the bottom. Now, hopefully the GoPro's picking it up, but my one-way valve is full of gunk. So clean that out, and that will help reduce the chance of water getting back up through the box and into the DME area, or DDE area, in the case of a diesel. So that is what was happening with this one. Water was getting into this section here, and then coming back up through the DME box. So this little section here, it does have a grommet, which I'm gonna remove. I don't know if I should, but I'm gonna remove that grommet so it's got an extra drain hole. However, it also seems to drain from this section here. Now with the garden hose, I have had to blast out this section here, and all of this gunk come out of that section. So it was just clogged up there. That's where it drains, but you will see now. So with water getting blasted in, it's only just about to get to the grommet. It's still not even at the grommet. So just cleaning out this section here, that's enough of a release for the water to get out that's coming out of the garden hose. In fact, just check it again, because there is still a leaf in there that I can't get out. But that goes over the grommet there, obviously. I think we're good. So that was the problem. Water was building up in this section and then coming up through the bottom of the DME box. And I think it was getting to that section because of these things. These were full. I just hadn't had a chance to check it, hadn't had the car for very long, but yeah, all of this gunk in here was incredible. So I've cleaned all that out as well. And one final thing, just to finish this quick video off, I'm also going to wrap the DDE in a plastic bag, just in case. So we'll wrap it in a sandwich bag and stick it down in the DME box, but that should make sure that you never have a problem with water damaged DDEs again. Nice quick video, hope it helps some people out. There you go. Oh, one last thing that might be a bit helpful. When you take the plastic box out of this section, you've sort of got to rotate it almost upside down to get it out of the gap. Or you can take the cowl off, but you can do it without taking the cowl off. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.